Hello, welcome to our channel. Are you tired of dealing with faulty electrical devices? It's like they just stop working for no reason. You plug them in, flip the switch, and nothing. Or worse, you get that weird burning smell. Do you want to ensure your safety and the longevity of your electrical equipment? In today's video, we're going to discuss the importance of checking electrical parameters before making a purchase. Trust me, this is one of those things that seems kind of boring but can save you a ton of headaches down the line. Alright, let's talk voltage. You can think of voltage like the pressure in a water pipe. It's the force that pushes electricity through a circuit. Different devices are designed to operate within a specific voltage range. If you plug in a device that's rated for a lower voltage than what's coming out of your wall socket, you're essentially over-pressurizing it. This can cause components to overheat, short circuit, or even explode. On the other hand, if the voltage is too low, your device might not even turn on, or might not function properly. So, how do you know what voltage your device needs? Easy, just check the manufacturer's specifications. It's usually printed on the device itself, the power adapter, or the product packaging. Make sure that matches the voltage in your region. Here in North America, it's typically 120 volts, while in many other parts of the world it's 240 volts. And here's a pro tip. If you're traveling internationally, invest in a good quality voltage converter or a dual voltage device. It'll save you a lot of hassle and potential damage to your electronics. So, to recap, voltage is like the pressure in your electrical system. Make sure your devices are compatible with the voltage in your region, or use a converter when necessary. Now let's talk about current. Current is like the amount of water flowing through your pipe. It's measured in amps, and it basically tells you how much electricity a device is drawing. Just like with voltage, every device has a maximum current rating. If a device tries to draw more current than the circuit can handle, you're going to blow a fuse or trip a circuit breaker. It's a safety mechanism to prevent overheating and potential fires. So, how do you avoid overloading your circuits? Check the current rating of your devices. Add up the current draw of all the devices plugged into a particular circuit, and make sure it doesn't exceed the circuit's rating. Be mindful of how much power you're using on a single circuit, especially for high-draw appliances like space heaters, microwaves, or hair dryers. If you're constantly blowing fuses or tripping breakers, it might be a sign that your electrical system is overloaded. In that case, it's best to call in a qualified electrician to assess the situation and make any necessary upgrades. Remember, current is like the flow rate of electricity. Don't overload your circuits by exceeding their current rating. Let's talk about power. Power is basically the rate at which a device consumes energy. It's measured in watts, and it tells you how much energy a device uses per unit of time. Higher power consumption means higher electricity bills. If you're using a lot of power-hungry devices, you're going to see it reflected in your monthly statement. Higher power consumption also means more energy is being wasted as heat. This can lead to overheating, reduced efficiency, and even shorten the lifespan of your devices. So, what can you do? First, be mindful of the power consumption of the devices you use. Look for energy-efficient options, especially for appliances you use frequently. Turn off lights when you leave a room, unplug devices when you're not using them, and consider using power strips to easily cut power to multiple devices at once. Remember, power is the rate at which your devices consume energy. By choosing energy-efficient options and developing good energy-saving habits, you can save money, reduce your environmental impact, and extend the life of your electronics. Okay, let's dive into the world of frequency. Frequency refers to the number of times an electrical current changes direction per second. It's measured in hertz. Cheese. In most parts of the world, the standard frequency is either 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Some devices, especially those with motors or transformers, are designed to operate at a specific frequency. If you plug a device designed for 50 Hz into a 60 Hz power supply, or vice versa, it can cause performance issues, overheating, and even damage the device. So how do you avoid a frequency mismatch? Check the device's specifications. If you're traveling to a region with a different frequency, you might need a frequency converter for certain devices. Remember, frequency is the rhythm of electricity. Make sure your devices are compatible with your region's standard frequency, and use a frequency converter if needed when traveling. Let's talk about efficiency. Efficiency refers to how effectively a device converts electrical energy into useful work. The more efficient a device, the less energy it wastes as heat. A high-efficiency washing machine will get your clothes just as clean as a less efficient model, but it'll use less water and electricity in the process. Efficiency saves you money on your energy bills. An energy-efficient appliance might cost a bit more upfront, but it'll pay for itself over time through lower operating costs. Efficiency also reduces your environmental impact. By using less energy, you're helping to conserve resources and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Look for devices with high energy efficiency ratings. Unplug devices when not in use, switch to LED light bulbs, and consider investing in a smart thermostat to optimize your home's heating and cooling. Efficiency is all about getting the most out of your electronics while using less energy. It's a win-win situation for your wallet and the environment. Okay folks, let's talk about certifications. Safety certifications ensure your safety and the quality of your electronics. These certifications are like seals of approval from independent organizations that test and verify that a product meets specific safety standards. Safety certifications give you peace of mind, knowing that a product has undergone rigorous testing and meets the necessary safety requirements. Some of the most common safety certifications you'll come across include UL, Underwriters Laboratories, CE, Conformité Européenne, and CSA, Canadian Standards Association. Look for the certification marks. They're usually printed on the product itself, the packaging, or the manufacturer's website. A cheap, uncertified product might seem like a good deal at first, but it could end up costing you more in the long run if it causes damage, injury, or worse. Always look for safety certifications before you buy, and rest assured that you're making a smart and responsible purchase. And there you have it, folks. We've covered a lot of ground today, from voltage and current to efficiency and certifications. Understanding these basic electrical parameters is crucial for ensuring your safety, maximizing the lifespan of your devices, and even saving some money on your energy bills. Knowledge is power, literally. So the next time you're shopping for electronics, don't just grab the first thing you see and plug it in blindly. Take a moment to check those specs, look for those certifications, and make an informed decision. Your devices and your wallet will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Stay curious.